Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the first tutorial and we created this engagement look on a beautiful model, and I'm going to be explaining step by step all the products that I've used. So first thing first, we are straight away starting the tutorial. I've used a moisturizing cream, and here we were putting the lenses and we had a little bit of time here. It took 30 seconds for us, and this is how you have to tell your client to just rotate their eyeball, and yes, the lens will be fixed in no time. And we chose a very beautiful hazel color for her, and I think she looked really pretty. So the first thing first is prepping your eye base. I love using the Too Faced concealer. This is my favorite. This is in the shade Shortbread, and this is another palette which I love. It is a new launched by Forever 52, and I'm straight away going to take the orange bright shade for the transition. We usually decide the look that we want to create, but I'm honestly telling you, on this shoot day we did not know what we're gonna create, but it was very spontaneous. The outfit color was dark, and here I'm using the my favorite hashtag palette from Violet Wars. I love the pigment. I have created a halo eyes. Most of the depth has been created using the violet shade here, and I'm using a MAC concealer paint pot, and this is the easiest way that you can create a cut crease. Just ask your client to look up maximum and you'll get the crease, and then you can just draw, your highest point, you can draw your cut crease. Here I'm again taking the same dark plum shade to create some more intense depth in the outer corner of her eyes, and then just taking the brown shades and a blend of black to just create a depth. Remember, blending is the key here. I spent a lot of time blending this. You are just seeing a fast forward or maybe a cropped version of it. And I've used the Forever 52 mink lashes. These are such gorgeous lashes. And then comes my favorite part, which is the eyebrow transformation. I'm using the favorite product of mine, which is from Benefit. I'm sure everybody knows about it. Now comes the concealing corrector part. I'm using the Pro palette by Forever 52, again a new launched. I was using it for the first time and I love the finishing of it. It's so smooth, so velvety. Just taking a little bit of corrector and mixing it with a little peach light tone. Now a lot of people say that the correction doesn't work for them. That is because either you are over blending the peachiness of the character, or you are not blending it properly, and that is making your foundation look orange in color. So make sure you are like blending properly. And I think I don't remember the foundation I used, but because the clip got lost, but I think I've used MAC NC 35 is the shade. I think 35 I mixed it. And going back again to the under eye correction, using a little darker concealer here because that goes really well. Using the same palette, it is that amazing palette, using the same palette for the contour, and you can just see I am just lightly brushing the contour, just giving it a very soft, very natural, no harsh lines, no thick contours, and you are seeing the fast version of it now. I'm sure you're gonna like the outcome. This is one of my favorite palette. This is from Benefit Blush Bar, and this is my favorite blusher, California. I just love it. I think it works really well, especially on the fair to medium skin tone. It is the I'm so sorry the clips got lost when I was applying the highlighter. I have applied my favorite highlighter, Anastasia Ambrezi. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. This is the first tutorial that I've posted. Please show Don't forget to like and comment and join us. Follow us on Instagram. Our ID is Reet Kaur Makeovers, and this is how the whole look turned out. I hope you guys like this video. I really liked how the whole look turned out, so glamorous, so modern, with this very chic hairdo and the bomb cut crease. Thank you so much for watching.